Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a charcoal filter on a Samsung over-the-range microwave. Always safety first, unplug the power to the over-the-range microwave before you change the charcoal filter. Once you unplug the power to the over-the-range microwave, just need to open the door and you'll find these two screws on the top of the grill which goes for the over-the-range microwave. So we're going to remove that. Once you remove the two screws that go to the top of the grill of where the over-the-range microwave is, remove that, and that will access the charcoal filter. So you need to remove the old one and put in the new charcoal filter that usually exhausts through a charcoal filter if you don't have a vent duct. In my case, I have an over-the-range microwave that's not vented outside, so I'm using an exhaust charcoal filter on this over-the-range microwave. So you can see I'm putting back in the grill back onto the over-the-range microwave. So you just need to put it in completely, and then once the top aligns, just push it in. And you just need to install the two screws that go through the top of the over-the-range microwave. And to make sure you don't lose these screws, because when you remove these ones, be very careful when removing these two Phillips screws. And I'm putting back in those two screws that go for the top of the grill. Once you're done, just need to plug it back in the power to the microwave, and you should be good to go. As you guys can see, as I was plugging in the microwave, you can see that the filter light has reset it on its own automatically. So if you have a filter light that came on previously and you unplug the microwave, playing back in, it does factory reset on the microwave. So you're gonna have to reset the clock once you are done with the filter change out. And that's how you replace a charcoal filter on a Samsung over-the-range microwave. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, if you did, please consider hitting the like button and make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.